Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome to Unique Educational Videos. Today we are going to learn the story Union is Strength. Union is Strength. 5 cows lived in a little forest. They ate fresh grass in a large green meadow. They were kind friends. They decided to do everything together. So the lions could not attack them for food. One day, the 5 cows fought and they began to eat grass at different places. The lions decided to seize the opportunity. And kill them one by one. When the cows were united, no one could even think to harm them. But when they got separated, the lions easily made prey of them. Moral lesson: Union is strength. Union is strength.